I'm sorry for my voice. Okay, so I'm going to add here oil, some oil. So I'm going to add onions. So I'm going to add potatoes and carrots, and I continue to mix up. Add curry. At the same time, I add tomato and continue to mix, compile up. I'm going to add the second is spicy, and a kind of spicy. Alright, and continue to mix up, make sure everything is compiled. And mix up. I have to add water. It's hot water, so to make it quickly cooked. Okay. Just like that. Boil. Yes, cover for 20 minutes and then we'll see. It will be cooked. Alright. So it is almost ready. I'm going to take a little bit and then I smash. Okay. Alright, keep watching. Now it is ready. I'm going to eat, guys. It's ready. Wow, it's nice, guys. So I add spice. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Continue to supporting me, to like, share, and comment. Let me know which video you want me to make for you. Let us meet next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.